Okay. I thought it was about time that we did an update on Bitcoin Cash. So last time I spoke about Bitcoin Cash, it was here, um, and I got quite a bit of hate for that, for what I said. So let's go back to the video that I posted in April last year. Sorry, this year. And we'll just quickly recap, and then I'll have a chat about where I think the price is going next. So this is a video that I posted. Bitcoin Cash was $600. So we'll go from here. Okay, so if we now revisit that chart, bearing in mind this pattern, so A taking it down to approximately $400, I think. B going up to approximately $510, $20, something like that, and C coming down to approximately $300. All right. We can now see that this structure has actually formed. So we did get this kind of bull flag. Just get rid of that. The price did come down as expected to draw this E. Okay. We can actually draw an ABC. So that would be our A wave, that would be our B, and that would be our C. So here, A wave has come down to approximately $400. So if we go back to the video, we can see if we go across that line, just below 450, more or less 400, so something like that. Okay, it's very, very close. The B wave takes it up to $530. So we go back here, go across somewhere around about $530, pretty much bang on. And the C wave comes down to around about $300. C wave 270, not far off. Okay, it's not going to be perfect. I'm not, I'm not a psychic, but the whole structure of what I said that it was going to do it's done. Okay, so we could even go 1, 2, 3, 4. We could do this little squiggly lines if we wanted to. I mean, 1, 2, 3. It's the same. So what do we do? Do we trust our own chart? Um, I mean, I am. I'm long now. I entered today. I entered on this pullback. So I mean, as I say, I sold my Bitcoin Cash up here. I did still have some left over that I was purchasing down here. And there's another video that I showed on Bitcoin Cash where I was telling everybody to buy here, literally before it went up. You know, I was telling you to buy $100. It went up 200%. Okay. And I also told you that that wasn't going to be the end. So what's my prediction? Well, you know, my prediction is the same from the previous video. If we go on to the weekly, you know, I'm expecting 20, 30,000. And I can even tell you on this video that we'll continue to play the video. Okay. So let's go on to the prediction. We'll just fast forward. Okay. So green box is here. That's between the 618 and the 786. Okay. Now let's go over to the chart and I'll show you how I got to that figure. So I believe that, I mean, the 618 and the 786, this is the golden pocket. This is the pocket where you want to be looking at. And we are in there now. The other thing that I found quite interesting is if I take off, just take these off. In fact, we'll get the RSI up. Where is it? Come on. Right. So on the weekly time frame, we have a look at the RSI. We have actually got a bullish divergence. So bullish divergence is where the price makes a new low, which it did there, look. So if we just get rid of this, look, we've got our first low here on Monday, July this year. And then our second low in Monday, the 5th of August. So we've got a new low coming in, but we don't have a new low on RSI. So we have this bullish divergence, which obviously is bullish. We have this ABC that completes the E leg, which I was, you know, anticipating all the way up here. As far as I'm concerned, that should be correction over, and that it should be go time now. We, you know, if we're gonna go up, now's the time. If we also go on to the monthly, we can take a look at the whole sweep, which is a good indicator. Now look at the whole sweep. So when the price is below this red band, it finds resistance. So it's bearish, as you can see. If you could draw this band out, you could do something like this. You know, that'd probably be what it looked like on the monthly chart. Well, we turned green in January this year. And if you have a look here, this correction is taking you to the top of where the support is on the whole sweep band. So we've got this weekly bullish divergence, and we've got the monthly support being supported by a whole sweep. And we've also got this ABCDE corrective pattern to complete the E wave, which, you know, also on the daily, we've got a bullish divergence. So we've got the low here, the new low there. And then we've got this bullish divergence here, let's say. The RSI is not making newer lows, but the price makes one new low. So in my opinion, like I said, this does look ready to go up. Bitcoin Cash to 50K. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Any comments, feel free to put in the comments on this video, and I'll try and answer. But yeah, I'm not a massive YouTube guru. I just share what I think. Don't take this as financial advice. Maybe I'll have a group. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Have a good day. Cheers.